Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix private account problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to settings and now go to apps and then apps again, and here just type Fritz and click on it. First stop it, go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Just go to your profile and try again, but if that doesn't fix it, now click these two lines, log out and log in again. And if this method also doesn't fix your problem, now there is one other method you can do, is to reinstall this program and then try again, or try to restart your phone, and this may help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.